Yeah, just finished work and I'm heading home now. So it's gonna be like a walk, but hopefully that will pick me up. The sun is setting behind me. But yeah, let's go home. I'm tired.
Here, no?
Yes.
Kaya sabi ni Jake, ni no?
Good morning. It is I think 7:30 and it is Friday, but it's only my Thursday today because I still got work tomorrow. So 2 more days of work and it's my weekend already, and hopefully I can film a video for you guys because I have like a haul or something that I need to do. We'll see. Work. Here's my little transportation and Dad drives me because I can't be bothered walking down. So onto the buggy we go. Off to work we go.
Ito parang nag-drive ito, bunker, ano?
Oo nga. Tigil ka kaya dyan, Dad.
Bakit?
So, picture ni.
Doon sa ano? Sa may chapel. May ano doon eh.
May look out. This is the view from one of the lookouts here on the island. So yeah, just that's the helipad place where the helicopter drops down. But I don't think it's there at the moment. I want to go take a photo. Stay out in the marina. So I wonder what escapades will be running today. Hey guys! So I was meant to film today a video, but I can't be bothered. I got makeup on and now I'm lazy to film a video, so I'm not going to film one. Yeah. I'm gonna make sinigang. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're gonna need some tomatoes and some onions, which we have here. And then you're going to use the water here, which is hugas bigas. So that means you have to the water that you use to rinse, pardon? The water that you use to rinse your rice, that's what you're going to use for the sabaw in sinigang because it's much more tastier and malapot or something. So yeah, we're just gonna put that in there and we're going to just boil that up. And then later we're going to add in our hipon and our sinigang mix. Dad's here. Hi, Dad.
Hi, how are you?
So yeah, we're just going to do that, and then we're gonna add the hipon in later. But I might make the sinigang sabaw instead separately, and then gigisa ko na lang yung hipon para kung gusto nyo na garlic hipon na lang, tapos alam ko na ng sabaw, and yeah, I might separate it. I don't know what we're gonna do, but yeah, we're napakuluan lang yan. So we're gonna put a little bit of chili flakes. Now we're going to put in our patis. And we are going to put in our pepper. We have pepper sachets, but that will do. So we're gonna put in pepper. So we got our prawns here, and we're just gonna pop that in. It's frozen, but it's kind of cooked inside, so it's okay.
It's better kasi di naman sa'yo.
Yum! So now our hipon is boiling now, so we're going to add all this spinach in there.
Baka mag-isip tayo mga bata sa bunga nga ako dyan. Ingay mo.
So, yeah, I'm just here now with my workmates. You got Kendrick, you got Alan. He lives in Perth too, but he's actually going to be leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm
He only
leaving.
lasted 2 months. It's
Because
Alan.
Island life is so
then-
amazing.
And he's a chef here. So yeah, we're just here now chilling. We had adobo, longanisa,
I am a
and
chef too.
as well.
I am a chef too.
Lasing na hata.
That's in my own kitchen only.
And then Dad's there with Tita Luz and Nina and Tito Arnold and stuff. So yes, that's it. Bye.
The big black ones further out. Right in here. John Trevally. GTs. Also got a mangrove jack just down there, a little brown fish. Just in here.
Di ako makalabas ng bahay dahil dito sa frog na to. Look at him. He's just there. He's just full staying there. Natakot ako baka pagbukas ko ng pinto. Biglang tumalon or something. I might go inside the house. Yan, dyan lang siya. Nakabantay. Dito lang ako makalabas. Pasaway itong tawag na to. Pangit to. Let's look at his face. He's so serious. Hello there. Gio. Tapos, ang dami pa mga ginto na insekto. Ayan siya. Dami niya. 4 nga dito nakabantay sa labas ng pinto. Talaga ako makalabas. Look at them. They're so big and massive. Ayan o. O, diba? Ang saya. Have a new pet. See my clothes. And the water doesn't look very nice, but I actually put oil in this. It's like a kiwi kind of oil. So that's why it's like a milky, murky kind of color. But yeah, I'm just here in the bathtub chilling and relaxing. I'm gonna put this in my hair, argan oil. I've got my green tea there. I'm actually watching vlogs right now, so I'm catching up on some YouTube. And I also made this, which is honey and sugar and oil, olive oil leaving now. She was going on